Hi!
Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for October 1st. So, let's get started.
First day in history!
On this day in history, October 1st, 1908, the Ford Model T car, the first car to be made on an assembly line, was introduced. It soon became the largest selling car in the United States. Also, on this day in 1924, Jimmy Carter, who became the 39th President of the United States, was born in Plains, Georgia. He was elected president in 1976. Carter could point to a number of achievements in both domestic and foreign affairs, but in 1979, the American embassy in Iran was seized, and the Americans inside were taken hostage. This event contributed to Carter's defeat in 1980. After his 4 years as president, Carter traveled around the world working for peace and human rights. And on this day in 1939, George R. Carruthers was born. He was an African-American astrophysicist who was the principal inventor of a new space camera to measure ultraviolet light, which can be used to identify interstellar atoms and molecules. Today on Word Power, I want to introduce you to the word homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but are spelled differently. An example of a homophone is hair and hair. H-A-I-R, as in the hair on my head, and H-A-R-E, as in the animal that hops around and has long ears. What about toe and toe? I like to tow my red wagon with my big toe. There's also witch and witch. And what about weather and weather? Hour and hour, bear and bear, two and two, bye and bye.
Ooh, extremes.
Today on Extremes, we ask, what is the most poisonous creature on Earth? The answer is the golden poison frog. An average golden poison frog contains about 1 milligram of poison on its skin, which is enough to kill more than 10 human beings if the poison reaches their bloodstreams. Oh, and by the way, 1 milligram equals only 0.000035ths of an ounce.
Health tips.
When you feel angry or stressed out, take a break and find a healthy way to deal with the feelings, such as exercising, reading, writing in a journal, or talking out your problems with a parent or friend. Holding stressful feelings in is not good for your heart, for your stomach, or any other part of your body. Take a big breath and relax. I sure love to go out to eat. A big stack of pancakes with maple syrup or a juicy veggie burger with tomatoes and lettuce at the local diner. But sometimes I wonder where that food is coming from. Has it traveled a long distance to get to the restaurant kitchen? And has fuel been burned in order to make the trip? Well, some restaurants are beginning to buy their food from local farmers grown on local farms. You can eat a grilled cheese sandwich and then go down the road to meet the cow whose milk was used to make the cheese. No need to burn all that fuel bringing the cheese from far away when you can just buy it from your neighbor. That saves fuel and keeps our air cleaner. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.